It was fantastic. I think my head's hurting a bit because I've laughed so much. I don't know. It was just so much fun. It was fantastic. It was real, and yeah, I'm so glad that he's back.
He's too good. I mean, wow. I did not know it was going to be this funny. My jaws are hurting. So I can tell you that.
Oh, honestly, it was one of the best stand-up shows I've attended.
There were maybe 30 seconds where I wasn't laughing my ass off. So it was absolutely phenomenal to watch Papa CJ so close, so up front. It was really great.
So there was not a single moment where I felt bored. It was very engaging, constantly working with the crowd, and yeah, very relatable jokes. So yeah, it was always fun.
And it's been fantastic. I think the audience just didn't stop laughing, and it kept on going from one thing to the other, and everybody felt involved, and it was just fabulous.
We loved it. I've got to tell you that I laughed so much that the tears were coming down my eye. I've lost my mascara, my eyeliner. I've got to do it all up, but it was fabulous. So loved it.
Absolutely.
I love how he was able to relate to people in their 20s, in their 30s, in their 40s, all the way up to people in their 70s.
Yep.
So everyone felt included. It was awesome.
Yep. Absolutely fantastic show.
But what Papa CJ does is not slapstick. It is very relatable. It is based on his memoirs, etc. So there's a lot of storytelling, and I'm in communications. I personally enjoy storytelling a lot. So that's what kind of stands out for me. And yeah.
And his stories were amazing.
It was amazing. He is amazing. I don't have any other words for him other than amazing and magical.
And this fellow has given us an overdose of laughter today.
There are no perverted jokes or anything like that, but he has no filter and he does not mind getting into the crowd.
You will laugh and you'll understand there's something called his presence of mind, which I think his is the best in the industry.
I was the one covering the show today on the camera. Oh my god, it was difficult not to laugh out loud and just shake the camera. I was trying so hard to not just go like this.
It's very interactive, so that's what makes it different. He got hold of everybody on the stage, on the floor, on the audience.
Yeah, he made everybody a part of
and
the
everybody
show.
made them, you made them feel good.
I think I enjoy stand-up comedy when it's real, authentic, comes from a very personal space. And I think CJ always builds that bridge magically, right? He's always got the pulse of the audience and the people, and the laughs are so genuine and real, and the minute you hit that, you've hit magic. So I enjoy every second of it. I had a fantastic time, and I recommend everyone else to come and definitely attend his shows.